Do you like Sunday?
Wake up, Chinu. Wake up, Meenu. Come, let's go to school.
Buzz, don't do that. It's Sunday today. We have no school.
Meenu, you have no school? What is Sunday?
Sunday is a day of the week.
Week?
Yes, a week has 7 days, Buzz. Sunday is the first day of the week.
Then what comes after Sunday?
It's Monday.
Monday.
Okay, now, Buzz, you repeat after us. Tuesday,
Tuesday.
Wednesday,
Wednesday.
Thursday,
Thursday.
Friday,
Friday.
Saturday,
Saturday.
and back to Sunday. So Sunday is the first day of the week and Saturday is the last day of the week.
Okay. Now let me tell them all. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday.
Oh, Buzz, that's fantastic. Now you know all the 7 days of the week.
Chinu, what is written here?
It is January. It is the first month of a year. Oh, Buzz, we have 12 months in a year. January is the first month of the year.
January.
Yes, we have our Republic Day on 26th January. Then it's February.
February.
Then comes March. It's spring season in March. And time to celebrate Holi festival.
Oh, Holi is fun. It is so colorful. I like the Holi festival.
I also like to play Holi. After March, it's April.
April.
Then comes May and June. They are very hot months. But they are fun months too. Our school closes for summer holidays.
May and June.
Then it's July and August. We celebrate Independence Day on 15th August. Oh, I also fly kites then. It's the month of September after August.
September.
Yes, Buzz. It's Teachers' Day on 5th September. We wish our teachers and thank them for teaching us. Then comes October. And 2nd October is Gandhi Jayanti.
I know Mahatma Gandhi. He is called the father of our nation.
That's right, Buzz. You are getting smarter.
Thank you, Meenu. I am learning from you and Chinu. So, which month comes after October?
It's November. And 14th November is Children's Day. It is Nehruji's birthday. Nehruji loved children
A lot.
Eid and Diwali are also celebrated in November.
November.
Then comes the last month, December. It's Christmas time. 25th December is Christmas. After December, it's January again. And a new year starts.
Oh, January again. I know this is 31. But Meenu, why does February have only 28 days?
Come here, Buzz. I will tell you. February is a very special month. Some months have 30 days and some months have 31 days. But February has 28 days in some years and 29 days in some years.
Oh, Meenu, I am so confused. How will I know which month has 30 days and which month has 31 days?
Hey, Buzz, look at me.
Meenu, help! Why is Chinu closing his fist?
Buzz, he is not going to trouble you. He is going to teach you something. Look here, Buzz. Now, just listen to me. I am going to tell the names of the months in order. Just watch my finger also. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. The months on top have 31 days, and the months in the gap have 30 days.
Oh, that's so simple, Chinu. What about February?
February has 28 days, but once in 4 years, it has 29 days, like it has 29 days in 2008. Then it will have 29 days only in 2012.
Oh, so February is a special month. Can I also do it once now? Chinu, will you close your fist, please? January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December.
So friends, January, March, May, July, August, October, and December have 31 days. And April, June, September, and November have 30 days.
And February is a special month. It has 28 days in some years and 29 days in some years.
Very good, Buzz. Friends, now why don't you play this game? Can you close your fist? Just touch the top and the gap and start saying January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Oh, you are also doing it.
Will you help Butterfly fill in the blanks? You have to give your answer loudly. Comes after Sunday. Monday comes after Sunday. Saturday comes after. Saturday comes after Friday. Tuesday comes before. Tuesday comes before Wednesday. Comes after Wednesday. Thursday comes after Wednesday. Two days after Monday is after Monday is Wednesday. Monday comes after Sunday. Saturday comes after Friday. Tuesday comes before Wednesday. Thursday comes after Wednesday. Two days after Monday is Wednesday. Will you help Bert fill in the blanks? April comes after. April comes after March. Comes before October. September comes before October. Is the first month of the year. January is the first month of the year. Is the shortest month of the year. February is the shortest month of the year. April comes after March. September comes before October. January is the first month of the year. February is the shortest month of the year. Will you help Rabbit find out the answers? How many days are there together in March and April? 31 days plus 30 days. 31 plus 30 is equal to 61. 61 days. How many days are there together in July and August? 31 days plus 31 days. 31 plus 31 is equal to 62. 62 days. How many more days are there in December than November? 31 days minus 30 days. 31 minus 30 is equal to 1. one day. Which are the summer months in the place where you live? Which month is the hottest in the place where you live? Which month is the coldest in the place where you live? During which month it rains the most in the place where you live?
Rain